Atlas of Atlantis. Zabala. Preface. Saya's Atlas of Atlantis is the compilation of various theories for the origin of man through the ages. Lost civilizations described in legends, language, history and science. The Atlantis Islands described by Plato's descriptions of geography, dimensions and history. In the Atlantic Ocean beyond the Pillars of Hercules. Geologic interpretation of plate tectonics, fault slip, earthquakes, volcanoes, flooding, migrating and sinking of the Atlantis Islands. Geography. North and South America. Located between North and South America, dubbed the Panama Gap of ancient maps. Main island of Atlantis. This map of the main island Atlantis illustrates the features to be explored. Mountain skeleton. This map is the mountain skeleton we see today. 18th century map. Zabala Island submerged 700 meters since the 17th century. Located on the western margin of the main island of Atlantis in the center of the Caribbean Sea. Atlantis became the Caribbean Sea. Atlantis today. Abaja, Abala, Akala, Ajala, Amaga, Amaka, Amara, Anama, Arata, Araya, Atala, Ayala. These ancient name places are found in the area of the Atlantis Islands on Google Earth. Location. Migrating Atlanta Plate. Larger than Libya and Asia combined, 5,000 by 3,000 kilometers. The Atlantis Islands. Atlantis is located 1430 north 7030 west. Main island of Atlantis. The main island of Atlantis showing the citadel, plain and mountains. Geology. The Atlanta Plate, 3,000 by 5,000 kilometers. The Atlanta Plate describes Plato's islands that extend towards the true opposite continent. The Atlanta Plate includes the Caribbean Plate, the Nazca, Cocos and Andes Plates, the Bahamas, Cuba and Yucatan, to the Galapagos Islands, etc. The Atlantic fault slips, A through G, migrating the plate 2,500 kilometers westward and sinking 5 kilometers shown by the Puerto Rican Trench on the east and 2 kilometers on the west shown by the submerged Yucatan showing of 2001 and the Atlanta target shown below. Nicaragua. Atlanta. 11 degrees 617 north and 82 degree 3738 west. This anomaly illustrates the 2,000-meter submergence east of the main island since 10,000 BC. The Pillars of Hercules. The strait is only 30 meters deep and shows the floodplain into the Mediterranean Sea. The Atlantic continents. Where is the Caribbean Plate? Beyond the Pillars of Heracles. Atlantis was founded before ships and sailing and sunk completely, 9,600 BC. This Atlantic discovery confirms Plato's account of the Atlantis Islands adjacent to Africa, Europe, and the American continents. Bounded or part of the Azores, Madeira, Canary Islands in the northeast and North and South America to the west. Horses and cattle were bred and perfected by Atlanteans before 12,000 BC, as well as all the hybrid animals and crops we have today. Also, writing, weaving, sailing, chariots, metallurgy, masonry, kingship, military, mapping, astrology, geometry, etc. Atlantis colonies. Abaja, Abala, Abama, Abana. The Dominican Republic, the Yucatan, Canary Islands and Anatolia areas were sequentially colonized. Abana on the south shore of the Black Sea, since flooded 6000 BC. Anatolia. Anatolia was colonized before 10,000 BC, bringing agriculture to the Middle East. Attica became Athens. Attica was part of Anatolia before its destruction 9600 BC. Founded 1,000 years before Egypt was founded. Plato Timos 400 BC. Mountain skeleton. Atlantis sunk and migrated westward, 9600 BC. Creating the Atlantic Basin. Ancient maps. These maps show a chronology of Old World explorations. Pietro Capo Prehistoric Atlantis. Waldseemühl Historic Atlantis. The Lenox Globe. Floods. You remember only one, there were many before and after. Plato. North American floods. Lake Agassiz. Flooding through the Mississippi to the Gulf of Mexico. Proven by the dating of sediments in the Gulf. Agassiz Lake dates from 11,000 BC to 8,000 BC. Periodically flooding south, east and north. Younger Dryas period. Sea level. Temperature. Raising Atlantis. Kircher map. Plato's History of Atlantis. Atlantis. Exploration targets. The Citadel. Citadel within the plain. Surrounded by a 2,000 kilometers ditch, canals and 60,000 lots. On a mountain, not very high on any side, Plato, also towards the center of the island. Poseidon's Citadel. 14°27'53.34 north 70°53'37.33 west. 1 stadia equals 200 meters. Circular canals of the metropolis and stone walls covered with bronze, tin and orichalcum. Center island 1 kilometer diameter, first circular ditch 100 meters in width, second circular ditch and island 400 meters in width, third circular ditch and island 600 meter in width. Total diameter is 6 kilometers. Red, white and black stone wall surrounding the citadel, 50 stadia distant from the outer ditch, 10 kilometers. Outer city wall is a 26 kilometer diameter. The plain. 2,000 kilometer rectangular and oblong contour ditch surrounds the plain. 8 kilometers high mountains to the north. This 5 kilometers cliff is due to a fault that is still sinking to this day. To wit, Haiti's south shore sunk 18 meters in one day in 2010. The Puerto Rico Trench was created when the island first sunk 9,600 BC. The series of dikes built at the southeast corner of the plain may be the efforts to avoid flooding over some generations. Back 40 structure, 16°52'35 north and 65°27'3.75 west. Showing 2.4 kilometers fault slip. Flood plain, area of flood debris. 800-meter tower, with 5 kilometers base point 16°47'35.34 north and 67°14'51.82 west. Canals showing through the fault line point 16°12'37.72 north and 66°42'43.19 west. Pyramid. Possibly a very large pyramid in the plain. Various building anomalies. Volcano. 30 kilometers caldera 16°13'0.89 north and 62°24'33.28 west. Water spouts of the 19th century in the area are described by I.L. Donnelly on the Dominica Island. Research has found volcanoes dated to 9500 BC in the area. Main island of Atlantis. The island sunk as much volume of mud and hot water as was expelled from the fountains of the Great Deep. The initial high-pressure spout would reach the upper atmosphere, preserving the showings listed as the island sunk accordingly. Floods of biblical proportion, witnessed from America to Asia, repeated as recurring events from 9600 BC to 6000 BC. From Deucalion to Noah. The superheated water caused the Younger Dryas deep freeze to abruptly end 9600 BC. Atlantis. End. SciAcademy.ca